Gotta stop and get the essentials. Centepuxon Brewery. Their double IPAs are my favorite. It's hard to believe that there's gonna be like over a foot of snow down here tonight and into tomorrow. So we're under a blizzard warning right now. The ocean is super calm, very calm. The tide is pretty high up too. The wind has picked up though, definitely picked up. So they're talking maybe 40 to 50 mile an hour gusts of wind, and then snow is 12, I think about 12 to 14 inches, somewhere in there. So it's going to be pretty wild. I was going to try to get down here and try to film it with the storm, but there's no way I'm going to even be able to get down. State police have already said for down here to get off the roads, starting I think at 7 o'clock tonight. Here it comes, it's starting. Check it out, we made it on the Weather Channel.
Seeing there today, which is part and parcel an idea of where we're.
Look at this. It's my kayak covered in snow. I put out a bunch of bird food yesterday so that, yeah, all the birds are going crazy. My fire pit that you now can't even see anymore, it's right there. Knock some snow out of it. You can see it now. It's definitely over a foot. And the cantina, it's still holding up. It survived this blizzard, probably, I don't know, 6 or 7 tropical storms, a hurricane. It's still going. I thought for sure it was gonna collapse on this one. You can see the roof is starting to lean.